Yeah, hi there. I'm just gonna show you a thing. Um, I just recently got these two sections of our oak bookshelf, and they've been standing outside in a shed for a couple of years or so, and they were just molded and moist damaged. And basically, it you can see I'm showing you here the mold. Basically, they were not worth anything. I actually hoped that I could harvest a little bit of oak wood, but it turned out that it was only particle board or chipboard or whatever it's called. It it was only oak veneer, and basically the feet section of the cabinets were actually solid wood, but and the frames on the glass doors were solid wood. The rest was just particle board, and as I told you, it was molded and stuff. It was really a shame. Once upon a time, this has actually been a very good looking bookshelves. You can see there um, the nice glass doors. Um, I think you guys call it stained glass. The glass has a slight curve in it, and it got those lead moldings to keep it together. It's actually a craft that I don't think they use anymore. So basically, what you see me doing is that I'm just taking it all apart. I'm taking all of the hinges and knobs and the glass doors, of course, and the rest is just going to be firewood, because it's not even good for that, because it's particle board. I did hope to be able to take a few of those and use them, but the mold was just all over the place. So it's just going to end up as firewood. I just felt that it was a real shame that this was how a nice couple of bookshelves sections were going to end up, uh, because there is no doubt about it. I could have scrubbed it and cleaned it and something like that, but the thing is, with the mold, you never know if you'll never get it all, and some molds are really contagious. Everything you get in the vicinity of it will actually start molding too. So basically, it's gonna end up as firewood. Um, I don't know what else to say about it. Then I just took whatever I thought I could use and just took it all apart, and it's gonna end up as as firewood. Uh, and it's actually a shame. It's a little outrageous. Thanks for watching, and take care. Bye.